welcome to the QR code tutorial. This is Aja from LiveWall, and we jump right into the feed, and you see on the top left corner there is a QR code symbol. Click that and you see the settings, the link, the QR code. Be sure to put in your settings for your preferences, and you can always change the preferences and it will change for everyone that has the link. And write a welcome message. Could also be a nice thing to do. Tell your guests what they should do. And now we're going to download the QR code, and it goes right into downloads. And I like to make an invitation. So I'll drag it into Canva that I prepared here. And as you may know, I made a template for you for lots of existing different invitations today. You can drag and drop your special QR code right into the placeholder of your preferred template. Or you can just create your own, of course. Be creative. And thanks for watching. And here's a recap. The importance of sharing your QR code well in advance. I would recommend that. Here you see the menu in LiveWall, and be sure to write a welcome message, have the right settings, and happy celebration, happy exploring, and lots of love and greetings from LiveWall. Bye.